If you want to know what no-follow links and how to use them effectively to enhance your website's SEO strategy and user experience, you have come to the right place. Hello everyone, welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. In today's lecture, which is lecture 40, we will explore the topic of no-follow links and understand how to use them effectively in the realm of SEO. No-follow links are an essential component of your website's backlink profile, and comprehending their role can positively impact your overall SEO strategy. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. First we have, what are no-follow links? Let's begin by defining what no-follow links are. A no-follow link is a type of hyperlink that does not pass authority or link juice from one web page to another. As you can see in this image, these links include a specific HTML attribute rel nofollow, which tells search engines not to follow the link and not to count it as a vote of confidence for the linked page. Got it? In simpler terms, no-follow links are like adding a no endorsement tag to a web page. Now, let's delve into how no-follow links work and why they are important. When a website includes a no-follow link to another page, it signals to search engines that they should not transfer any SEO authority or credibility to the linked page. Got it? No-follow links are commonly used for links that are paid, sponsored or user-generated, as well as in instances where the website linking out does not want to vouch for the content. Despite not passing authority, no-follow links can still have value in terms of referral traffic and signaling trustworthiness to users. Got it? Let's illustrate the concept with some examples. Example 1. A travel blogger writes a sponsored post about a hotel and includes a no-follow link to the hotel's website. While the link does not pass SEO authority, it still provides valuable referral traffic to the hotel's site. Example 2. A user-generated comment on a blog includes a no-follow link to an external website. This prevents the blog owner from endorsing potentially unreliable content while still allowing users to access the linked site. Got it? Now that we understand what no-follow links are and how they work, let's explore strategies for using them effectively. Paid links. When engaging in paid partnerships or advertisement, use no-follow links to comply with search engine guidelines and avoid potential penalties. User-generated content. Monitor user-generated content such as comments and forum posts and add no-follow attributes to links that could lead to low quality or irrelevant websites. Sponsored content. When creating sponsored content or advertorials, use no-follow links to maintain transparency and avoid manipulating search engine rankings. External untrusted sources. Always no-follow links to websites or sources that you do not completely trust or endorse to protect your website's credibility. In conclusion, we can say that no-follow links are an integral part of your SEO strategy. serving different purposes than do follow links. By effectively using no follow links, you can maintain compliance with search engine guidelines, protect your website's credibility and still benefit from referral traffic. Understanding when and how to use no follow links can contribute to a well-rounded SEO approach. Got it? Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 40 where we demystified no follow links and how to use them effectively in SEO. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.